Good morning, children. God bless you all. Now we have to continue lesson 6, money, from your maths reader book. Take out your maths reader book and open to page number 119. Addition and subtraction of money. Today I am going to do this addition and subtraction of money. The assignment of this work is already sent to you. Okay. Today I am going to explain you the addition sums. You know how to do the addition sums. Okay, this is the ones column and this is the tens column. You have to add up the ones column and you have to add the tens column. Okay, let's begin. 5 and 0 will give you 5. Okay, and 6 and 3 will give you 9. When you add 65 and 30, it will give you 95. And 65 paise plus 30 paise will give you 95 paise. Since this is paise, you have to write down paise here. Okay, copy the correct spelling. Second, 30 plus 25. 0 and 5 will give you 5 and 3 and 2 will give you 5. This is paise. You have to write paise down here. When you add 30 and 25, you get 55. Moving on to next. 40 plus 69. Okay. 0 and 9 will give you 9 and 4 and 6 will give you 10. This is rupees. So please write down rupees here. Copy the correct spelling. So 40 rupees plus 69 rupees will give you 109 rupees. 62 rupees plus 24 rupees. Okay. 2 and 4 will give you 6 and 6 and 2 will give you 8. So 62 plus 24 will give you 86 rupees. Write rupees down here. 75 paise plus 40 paise. 5 plus 0 will give you 5 and 7 and 4 will give you 11. Okay, write paise down here. 75 paise plus 40 paise will give you 115 paise. Now 60 plus 35 will give you 95. 0 and 5 is 5 and 6 and 3 is 9. Write down paise here. 5 and 5 will give you 10. I explain you the carrying over sums. 1 will go up here in the tens column and 0 will be written here. 5 and 5 will give you 10. 1 will go up in the tens column. And now you have to add this 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 is 8. So 35 plus 45 will give you 80 rupees. Okay. 72 plus 18. Okay. 8 and 2 will give you 10. Again the same way, write 1 here in the tens column and write 0 here. This is the way you have to write 10. 1 will go up and 0 will be written here. 7 and 1 is 8 and 8 and 1 is 9. So 72 rupees plus 18 rupees will give you 90 rupees. Okay. Please check these sums. Those who have done it already, please recheck your work. And those who have not done it, please do it just now with me. Now turn your page and come to page 120. Cut out these sums. They are not to be done. Now, subtraction. Moving on to the next, subtraction. I have already explained you the sums based on subtraction. Okay. 95 minus 60 paise. 5 minus 0 will give you 5 and 9 minus 6 will give you 3. So 95 paise minus 60 paise will give you 35 paise. 40 minus 25. Now this is 0, which is a smaller number than 5. You can't minus, so you have to borrow 1 from here. When you borrow 1 from here, this becomes 4 becomes 3 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 40 paise minus 25 paise will give you 15 paise. Copy the correct spelling of paise. Okay. 64 minus 35. Again 4 is a smaller number. You have to borrow 1 from here. So when you borrow, it becomes 6 becomes 5 and this becomes 14. 14 minus 5 will give you 9 and 5 minus 3 will give you 2. So 64 minus 35 will give you 29 rupees. 81 minus 26. Again the same way, this is a smaller number, so you have to borrow 1 from here. 8 becomes 7 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 6 will give you 5 and 7 minus 2 will give you 5. So 81 rupees minus 26 rupees will give you 55 rupees. Okay. 85 paise minus 25 paise. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 8 minus 2 is 6. Don't forget that you have to subtract the ones column and then the tens column. Okay. 40 minus 35. Since 0 is a smaller number, again you have to borrow 1 from here. This becomes 10. 10 minus 5 will give you 5. And 3 minus 3 will give you 0. So 40 paise minus 35 paise will give you 5 paise. 48 rupees minus 29 rupees. Again 8 is a smaller number than 9. You have to borrow 1 from here. This 4 becomes 3 and this becomes 18. 18 minus 9 will give you 9 and 3 minus 2 will give you 1. So 48 rupees minus 29 rupees will give you 19 rupees. 54 rupees minus 39 rupees. Borrow 1 from here. This becomes 14. 14 minus 9 will give you 5 and 4 minus 3 will give you 1. So 54 rupees minus 39 rupees will give you 15 rupees. 80 paise minus 20 paise. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 8 minus 2 will give you 6. So answer comes to 60 paise. 60 paise minus 35 paise. Again 5 is a bigger number. So you have to borrow 1 from here. This becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 60 minus 35 will give you 25 paise. 58 minus 39. Okay, again this is a smaller number. Borrow 1 from here. This becomes 4 and this becomes 18. 18 minus 9 will give you 9 and 4 minus 3 will give you 19. So 58 rupees minus 39 rupees will give you 19 rupees. 84 rupees minus 26 rupees. Borrow 1 from here. 14 minus 6 will give you 8 and 7 minus 2 will give you 5. So answer is 58 rupees. Moving on to the last line. 20 paise minus 11 paise. Borrow 1 from here. It becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 20 paise minus 11 paise will give you only 9 paise. 70 paise minus 25 paise. Again the same way. Borrow 1 from here. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 70 paise minus 25 paise will become 45 paise. 94 rupees minus 44 rupees. 4 and 4 will give you 0 and 9 minus 4 will give you 5. So the answer comes to 50 rupees. 67 rupees minus 57 rupees. 7 minus 7 will give you 0 and 6 minus 5 will give you 1. So 67 minus 57 is 10 rupees. Please copy the correct spelling. So this was the last topic from chapter 6, money. Okay, please, if you have not done it, copy it down very neatly in your maths reader book. Tomorrow I will start with another chapter. We'll take a new chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, obey your parents, study well, do all your assignments and keep watching the videos sent by the school every day. Thank you, children.